In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect PagePilot to Shopify. To begin, open your web browser and sign into your Shopify admin for the store you want to connect. Make sure you are logged into the correct store account before you continue, especially if you manage more than one Shopify store. Once you are in the Shopify admin dashboard, take a moment to confirm you have the right permissions. You will need access to app settings in order to create a new app. Next, look for the settings area in your Shopify admin. Settings is usually found near the bottom of the left side navigation. Click Settings to open the main settings page, where Shopify keeps important configuration options for your store. From here, go to Apps and Sales Channels. This is where Shopify manages installed apps, sales channel connections, and app-related settings. Click into Apps and Sales Channels, and then find and select the option labeled Develop Apps. This section is used to create custom apps that can integrate with external tools, including PagePilot. After you open the Develop Apps area, you will create a new app. Click the button that says Create an App. Shopify will prompt you to enter a name for the app you are making. In the App Name field, type PagePilot AI. Naming the app clearly helps you recognize it later, especially if you create additional apps for other services. Once you have entered the name exactly as PagePilot AI, click Create App. Shopify will then generate the app entry inside your admin, and you will be ready to continue with any additional configuration steps required by your specific setup. As a quick tip, keep your Shopify admin tab open after the app is created, because the next parts of the connection process often require you to return here to review app details and permissions. Also, if you do not see the Develop Apps option, it may be due to limited staff permissions, so you may need to request access from the store owner or an administrator. And that is all there is to it.